Hello, welcome to Hallowed Moments, right here with me, Bennett Kenyansa. Today, we present you questions every landlord should ask a tenant before renting out a property to them. Yes, these are vital questions to ask a tenant before renting out the property to them. Question number one, can you tell me about your employment situation? You need to have the employment details of your tenants. Very key. Question number two, have you rented a property before, and can you provide me with references? You need to know whether your new tenant has rented a property before, and you need to have references to show that he or she has rented a property before. Question number three, you need to ask your tenant or your potential tenant how many people will be living in this property, or if it's a shop, how many people will be doing business in that particular facility. You need to be sure, you need to know how many people would be living in the facility. Question number four, you need to ask your potential tenants that can you provide a security deposit for the facility? Yes, a security deposit is very important. In case of any damage before the tenant leaves, that security deposit would help you as a landlord to repair any damage caused to your facility. Question number five, you need to ask your potential tenants, do you have any pets? Are you bringing any pets or any animals into my facility? Yes, this question must be asked, and your tenant must be able to answer that particular question. If there are pets, dogs, cats coming in and you are comfortable with it, that's fine. Question number six, as a landlord, you need to ask your tenants, what are your preferred communication channels, whether through phone calls, whether through text message, or whether in person. You need to know what best method you can communicate with your tenants effectively. That's very important. The final question is you need to check the background of your new tenants. Do they have any legal issues, any security threats? You need to know their background. If they are foreigners, you need to ensure that they have permits to stay in the country before you accept them into your premises, because if there are issues with them, you as a landlord, you will also be complicated or an accomplice in whatever issue that comes in. So you need to be very sure if you are accepting foreigners, you need to check their residence permits before you rent out your property to them. Thank you very much for watching Hallowed Moment, powered by Hallowed.